Guys, it's yet another week and we have so much to talk about. XRP is moving to the top and we are about to witness one of the biggest price jumps in history. Without a doubt, this coin has been making waves in the crypto community and now it's about time that we see the results in its price movements. You will all agree that every crypto trader is watching XRP like a hawk, with most people already invested in it. And today we're going to look at what is happening around this coin. Hello guys, and welcome to Money Side, where we let the money do the talking. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get updates when we drop a new video. To my Money Side family, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that like button and show us some love. Right now that that's out of the way, let's get down to business. To get us started, here's this tweet from Peter Voss 6. 240 million XRP shifted by Ripple and top exchanges, while XRP sits at 74 cents. We followed the link to read the shared article on U.Today better. Popular crypto tracking service Whale Alert has reported that almost 240 million XRP coins has been wired in the past 12 hours. Ripple Labs has participated in moving these funds by sending 1/4 of that XRP amount. Meanwhile, XRP is changing hands at the 74-cent mark as per CoinMarketCap. According to data published by the Whale Alert team over the past 12 hours, several XRP transactions have been conducted, carrying large amounts of the 6th largest cryptocurrency affiliated with Ripple Labs. The Ripple blockchain tech provider has itself taken part in these transfers, moving 30 million and then 15 million XRP to its internal wallets, RL18VN, and an anonymous address with Ripple's RL43EE wallet behind it. RL18VN is regularly used by Ripple to send XRP outside the company to its partners, customers, and crypto exchanges to support the coin's liquidity, as CEO Brad Garlinghouse has stated several times in the past. The largest lump was moved by the Bybit exchange to Binance. Bybit wired a staggering 131,507,931 XRP in one stash. This transfer was made around 3 hours ago. Among the smaller transfers were 30 million XRP shifted by the major US-based Bittrex exchange to the Upbit crypto trading venue. The Gopax platform also sent 23,150,000 XRP 2 hours ago to Binance. Thus, the world's largest exchange by volume has received over 154 million XRP, or $115,712,878. As reported by U.Today previously, earlier this week, Ripple spread the word about the start of a new remittance corridor between Japan and the Philippines based on Ripple's on-demand liquidity product, the ODL. The corridor is set up by two subsidiaries of Japanese Ripple partner SBI Group, SBI Remit, and SBI VC Trade Exchange. On the other end of the corridor is the leading Philippines crypto exchange, Coins.ph. The whole thing is running on RippleNet and ODL, the product formerly known as XRapid, which uses XRP to send remittances between countries and then converts the coin into the local fiat currency. August 1 will arrive this week and Ripple Labs will automatically release another 1 billion XRP coins from escrow. It has been doing so every month since 2018 in an attempt to support the coin's liquidity and cover the company's operational expenses. Over the past few years, this is what the small part of the released XRP has been used for. The rest of the unleashed XRP, 800 million, sometimes 900 million coins, are locked back in escrow. There is so much happening in the XRP market that indicates a big move to the top. This coin's price has been on the rise for a while, and I believe the whales have seen that it will likely head to the top. We are about to witness an increased demand for XRP because of this. Now, everyone who doubted the potential that this coin has, and now XRP is proving them wrong. We all know that crypto regulations are up on the horizon, but why hasn't it dropped yet? Well, a tweet shared by BTCN shed some light on this matter. SEC Chair Gensler is waiting for some direction from the Treasury for the overall policy of cryptocurrency regulations before he develops a specific regulatory approach for crypto. The article posted on news.bitcoin.com also talks about this information, stating new crypto regulation being developed by Biden administration. Fox Business's Charlie Gasparino reported Monday that the Biden administration is in what's been described to him by people close to them as the early stages of developing a regulatory approach to the crypto markets. He noted that the number one priority is infrastructure, followed by taxes. Another area which he said is being debated within the Biden administration concerns crypto regulations by the SEC. Last week, MIT crypto professor Gary Gensler was confirmed to lead the commission. He previously served as the chairman of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, the CFTC, Gasparino explained. SEC Chair Gensler is waiting for some direction from the Treasury for the overall policy of cryptocurrency regulations before he develops a specific regulatory approach for crypto, which will likely be the types of enforcement actions he goes after. He added that Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen is leading the U.S. government's crypto regulatory efforts, and Deputy Secretary of the Treasury Wally Ademio is the point man on crypto at the Treasury Department. Commenting on talks of possible crackdowns, regulations, and outlawing cryptocurrencies, he emphasized, "We don't know where they're going with this. We don't know exactly what is going to happen." While acknowledging that some countries are starting to outlaw cryptocurrencies, he said, "I don't think it's going to happen here. Too many American investors are in the space right now." In his opinion, crypto is here to stay, and based on the people he has been talking to, the government will not outlaw cryptocurrencies, but he believes that there will probably be more regulations. Furthermore, sources close to the SEC told him that the commission is debating whether to approve a Bitcoin exchange traded fund, the ETF. That's a huge debate at the commission level between Republican commissioners and the Democrats about this issue, he said. Gensler will now throw the Republicans a bone by approving this as a way to sort of curry favor with them over the other broader policy goals he wants to do at the SEC. He continued, noting that some examples are ESG investing and the types of disclosures companies have to do going forward, including political contributions. In conclusion, he described, "What we know for sure is that we are in the second inning. I believe of the regulatory approach being developed by the Biden administration through the Treasury. As you can see, these regulations will likely change the whole crypto world. The more the crypto regulations are delayed, the more people will get hurt by investing in the wrong cryptos. Truth be told, most cryptos do not follow any form of regulation rules, and the only reason why the SEC hasn't filed a case against them is that the lack of regulatory rules forms a gray area that makes these cryptos invincible. However, once the regulations drop, we might witness a severe drop in prices in the crypto market. Most of the cryptos that might have, for one reason or the other, eluded the SEC will now be under fire by the same regulatory body." But here's the most exciting part of it all. Ripple and XRP are almost about to settle their issues with the SEC. When that happens, both the crypto and Ripple will have the green light to continue their operations. XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin will be the only cryptos verified to operate in the crypto market. That means most people will dump their current coins and struggle for the remaining three. That will potentially continue to drive the price of XRP through the roof. Ripple will continue to use XRP to provide its potential customers with on-demand liquidity, giving this coin real-life practical use. The XRP holders will continue to enjoy the perks of holding this coin and soon turn into the next cryptocurrency millionaires. Without a doubt, XRP is headed straight to the moon, and we'll be talking about $5 to $10 soon. Let's wait and see if it will break the dollar barrier first, and that will be the end game journey for XRP. Aside from that, the adoption of Flare and CBDCs will also help to drive this coin's price through the roof. CBDCs are almost being launched, and Flare is also up on the horizon. If you don't have XRPs by now, you will end up missing out on the biggest gold rush in the crypto market. Now, let's take a look at the technical analysis. Guys, get rid of your moon boy mentality and no emotions for dips/corrections. Short-term bearish. Although we can't just skyrocket from here, we need to have buy opportunities just in case we head down short-term. Remember, the higher the time frame, the bigger the move. I'm now calling a bullish reversal soon, right after a nice wick down. Buy the dips. $14 is imminent. On the monthly time frame, we created a bullish hammer candle. Could even call it a dragonfly doji. RSI level 53 on the monthly has been strong support and resistance the past 7 years. We just bounced off level 53 again, also highly oversold. The monthly candle just created a bullish hammer candle, and that again is the dragonfly doji. Both signals capitulation by sellers to form bottom and price reversal. The main difference between the two is that the doji opens and closes at the same place. A hammer, on the other hand, opens lower and closes slightly below the opening price. Stochastic RSI looks like it's about to cross bullish on the monthly very soon and still over the 20 stock RSI level. Now for the long-term hodl or buy between 37 and 65 cent fib levels that could easily wick down these targets. As always, trade safely, guys. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Tell us what you think in the comments section below and let's have a conversation. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and to click on the subscribe button below. Turn on notifications, that way you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.